Hello friends, today I will show you how to prepare an achievement test. This is an achievement test for a school internship program which was for 4 months. So now the pattern has changed. Now it is semester system, so the things will be different, but the achievement test will be same. So how can we prepare an achievement test? Let's know it today. So it is for Guwahati University. So first of all, we need to prepare a content table. As you can see, the topics of the content. Now then first we'll start with introduction. We have to give a brief introduction about achievement test and how it's going to help for BA trainee or in BA training. Then characteristics of a good achievement test, and those are validity, reliability, objectivities, accuracy, relevance, comprehensive, clear instructions, as you can see in the video. Like this, there are 15 characteristics. Now we'll start objectives of achievement test. So objectives of achievement test also you can see in my video. Okay, after that, classification of achievement test, how we can classify. So there are two types of test: standardized test and teachers made test. So classroom test are pre-test. So first we'll prepare pre-test blueprint and weightage tables. So this is about pre-test. We will write a brief description of about pre-test. Then planning of test. So how we will plan the test, what are the things we need to keep in mind, those we have to write here, like the subjects, level of students, content, objectives, maximum time and maximum marks. Then the next point is preparation of a design for the test. So now the blueprint, we will the main work starts from here about the blueprint. First we need to prepare the weightage tables. Now this is the weightage to content, weightage to objectives. There are totally 4 weightage tables, and this is the first table, weightage to content. It will be same for pre-test and both post-test. So I have, as you can see, I have taken only 2 content, like 2 units, as this is English achievement test. It is an achievement test for subject English. So you can see these are the marks I have allotted. I have take the test of total for 20 marks, and I have given 10 questions. Here, weightage to the objectives of the test. Now how can we calculate this percentage here given? How we can calculate? We have to divide total number of question divided by 20, total number allotted, total number of question divided by total number allotted into 100. Then we will get this percents. Okay, understood? Total number of question divided by total number or the total mark into 100, then this percentage we can get. If we divide 4 divided by 20 into 100, if we do, we will get 20%. So in the same way everything is done. This is the weightage to objective of the test, weightage to level of questions, weightage to the types of questions. So here the skill content, the skill column is blank, because in English it is a language subject, so it is very difficult to put a skill question. So I have kept it blank. I haven't put any skill question, but in social or other subjects we can put skill question, and we can add numbers here also. So this is allotment of time and making process, like the difficulty level, the objectivity, and the question types, and how much mark it is allotted, and how much time it will take to students to do this question, some like this. So total time I have given to students was 40 minutes for 20 mark question. For 20 mark test I have given 40 minutes. Now this is the heart of achievement test. This is the blueprint. So You can observe carefully. This is the SL column. This is the type of questions here: objective type question, very short type, and essay or long type. Now here will be total number of question by marks. This is in short form: knowledge based, understanding based, application based, skill based. Like this it will go. So you have to put according to the units. In first unit, how many knowledge based questions you have given. In second unit, in the first unit, how many understanding based, that is also very short type question you have given. You have to keep those things in mind. Then in the first chapter only, how many short type questions you have given. Now objective type questions are those which are of 1 marks and very easy to remember. And very short types will be 2 mark questions answer, and short type will be 3 to 4 marks, and maximum it will be 3 mark. If your paper is long, you are allotting large mark, like it is of 25 or 30, then you can allot 4 marks also. Usually it is of 3 marks. Then easy to very long type, it can be more than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much mark you want to allot, you can allot on very easy and long type questions. Okay, that is done. Now in the same process, we have to allot the question mark and the question numbers with the marks, how much we have allotted. Now we will do the same for the 2 units. After that, we will calculate these 2 and write here total. These 2, we will calculate this column and write the total here. We will calculate these 2 columns and write the total here. This one also like this. And we have to do the same thing here, like this also. In this direction also, we will calculate each number and write the total here. And we will calculate this unit 2's each number and write the total here. Now there is a trick. You have now the total number should be equal. Like if you are calculating from this side, then also it should be 10 by 20. If you are calculating from this side, then also it should be 10 by 20. Now here you can see, if I calculate from this side like this, these numbers if I calculate, then also it is 10 by 20. Or if I calculate these 2 numbers, then also it is 10 by 20. That is the trick. If the numbers, if you calculate from this side these 2 numbers and it is not equal, if you calculate these all numbers and the sum is not equal, then the blueprint is wrong. So that's how you can prepare blueprint. After the preparation of blueprint, here comes the question paper. So this is the question paper of English class 7. This is a class 7 standard English question paper. Now in the same way we will do for the post-test as well. So this is the division of the question of a pre-test, how we will divide the question types. Like the easy type, I have given 1, short type I have given 2, very short I have given 3, objective types I have given 4, like this. Now here will be the results of the pre-test class test that you can give according to your students. Now this is post test. Same the way we have prepared for pre-test, it will go the same way for the post test as well. Same time, like the same way we will prepare weightage tables, all the weightage tables. Now there is a tick in achievement test, both the pre-test and the post-test numbers should be equal. Like otherwise it will be not considered as an achievement test if the numbers allotted and the question mark allotted and the percentage are not equal for both pre-test and the post-test. As you can see here, the numbers I have given. So while preparing achievement test, when we are allotting number of questions, total number of marks and the percentage, it should be equal in these three tables: weightage to the objectives of the test, weightage to level of questions, weightage to type of questions. The pre-test allotted mark and the post-test allotted mark should be equal. Like I will make it easier for you. Like here you can see weightage to the it can be different for the content table, but it should be equal for the weightage, the three weightage tables. Okay, these three weightage tables. Now I will show you with the postage weightage tables. Here can you see, this is the postage table. Here I have allotted knowledge, for knowledge 4 marks, total number of questions also 4, understanding 4. All the marks are as it is same. Can you see? The mark should be same and the percentage should be same, total mark should be same. It should be same, otherwise exact same marks you have to allot in pre-test and post-test, both for the three tables, these three tables. Otherwise it is not considered as an achievement test, it will be a normal class test. So when you are preparing post-test and pre-test for achievement test, then the post-test and pre-test weightage tables marks should be equal. The weightage tables are weightage to the objective of the test, weightage to the level of the question, and weightage to the types of the questions. Understood? These marks should be all equal. This is the exact same mark I have allotted for the pre-test. It should be equal. The percentage should also be equal. Now this is the division of time, and this is how much I have allotted time according to the questions. Now this is the post-test blueprint. It is as it is same to pre-test. Okay, here also same way, this total marks and these total marks should be equal. Like if I count from this side, then also it should be 10 by 20. If I count from this side, then also it should be 10 by 20. After that, the last is post-test question paper. That's it. Now this is the division of questions for post-test. I've put. After that you can result of post-test, pre-test, result of post-test, that it is the table showing different marks. Like here, roll number, name of the students, marks of pre-test, marks of post-test, and the difference, how much differences was there in both pre-test and post-test numbers, that you have to put. Now after that we will do data analysis of first achievement test, that is the pre-test. This is the data analysis of first achievement test, that is pre-test. Okay, now we will make graph according to that. Then possible reason for the low performance of the student. Usually what happens in achievement test, in pre-test students normally secure less marks, so we will write the reason for the lower performance of the students, remedial measures, what measures we can take to improve the learning capacity of the students, or the learning of the students, understanding of the students. So these are done. After that we have to prepare analysis for the second achievement test, that is the post test. So we will prepare graph also after that for post test. Then we will compare the first and the second achievement test, that is the pre-test and the post test. As you can see, after that suggestions, we can give suggestions to increase the students total performance. These are the suggestions I have provided. And last step is conclusion. So this is how we will. So this is the last step in achievement test, that is conclusion. After giving conclusion, we can end our achievement test.